competition in how long for us?
3 years? Wait.
Before COVID.
2019 Flushing, I think.
Last one was for me was like 10 years ago. 2012 was it?
Hey, you're gonna come back.
And why are you here?
I'm just chilling.
You guys just bought new cubes?
Oh yeah, dude, I got a new 4x4.
at home.
Part of me wants to buy a new Mega Minx right now because with this I'm not gonna make cutoff. Do it, right?
Do it.
I should do it.
Yeah, why not?
It's $32.99.
Yep.
Okay, here you go.
I just bought a Diane.
Are you competing right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
For Mega Minx, I had 2 tries to get under 145. Buying a new cube did not work.
Good luck, Timmy. What are you competing in?
6x6.
Are you gonna get cut off?
Hope not. The cutoff is 3:30, and my solve was like 4 minutes.
What happened? You choked?
A little bit, yeah. My hands were really shaky, kind of. Yeah, I popped like once, but it was pretty bad.
I started reading it as if it was a normal thing.
What is it?
It's the mom and me lactation pod, of course.
After lunch, 7x7 was our last event of the day.
One of us have to make cutoff, Timmy.
You can use. Okay, I got it. I can do it. Oh, I have the best time so far out of the 4 people.
7 seconds off though.
Sad. So sad.
And there was no shot I was making 7x7 cutoff.
So that's it for today, right?
Yep. Was it a successful day?
There's different definitions.
2 cutoffs missed.
2 cutoffs missed for you. 2 cutoffs missed for me. How many cutoffs did you miss?
None.
9.
Compete today.
You had the best day.
I had the best day today.
Nice spot. Everyone's disassembling their cubes.
We're doing some last bit of cube maintenance because tomorrow's the main events.
Are we gonna miss cutoff this time? We're literally competing in 10 minutes. Day 2, what events are you competing in?
I'm competing in the spectating and endurance challenge because there's going to be many children around and I'm going to have to force myself not to punt anyone that annoys me.
You're finally competing today, right?
Yeah, 2x2 and 3x3.
Let's go. Are we gonna make it in time for 2x2?
Let's find out.
It's in 5 minutes.
5 minutes and we still haven't even got to the car.
Yeah, they're probably running late.
Why are you learning them now? How long has it been since you last competed?
10 years.
10 years?
Older than some of these kids.
You ready? You ready? You're gonna get sub 10.
Maybe on one of them. I hope.
Let's go, sub 10. Sub 10. Let's go.
You have goals.
So 15, I hope.
Average?
Yeah.
As long as I get sub 14 average and then 11 second single, I'll be happy. That's all I need. This solve will be what my average is gonna be.
It's gonna be a 9-5.
13 average, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh no, but it's a +2.
But it's a +2.
What are we at?
Alright, so Andy, you are at 38th, 1364 average.
Let's go.
Wow, so close. So close. I'm at 68.
Well, tomorrow morning is what matters. What'd you do, Daniel?
I hurt myself.
Yeah, he's gotta go to the lactation pub now.
I was doing a simple pull-up, and then I slipped from whatever I was sitting on, and the most jagged, rough piece of terrain imaginable in a parking garage busted my shin.
Oh, I see it coming.
I'll check back in a few minutes.
Is it closed? What's plan B? How bad is it though?
Well, it's the worst bruise I've ever gotten in my life. That looks pretty horrible.
Bye, Daniel.
Hey there.
We dropped off Daniel at the Airbnb, headed back to the venue, and it was time for OH.
Now come our main events, right?
I just bought this huge yesterday. So
But this is where we're actually gonna get high in the rankings.
I think 5 at 5 at home.
Final event on the day. We meet in cutoff?
Hell yeah.
We meet in cutoff?
Hell yeah.
Was it even semi-successful?
I call it successful.
What went well?
3x3, my average is slower than my last 3 competitions. 5x5, I think my average is faster, but I had a DNF. 4x4 was tragic. I had like 2 pops. So yeah.
Did you have a successful day?
I call it a successful day because I came and I competed. That's all that matters. Day 2 in the books.
What?
How's that leg doing?
It's good? Come
Is
on.
Oh, lordy.
This is already embarrassing enough. You're gonna make a whole ass video about this too.
Leg update. Leg update. Oh, damn, that's crazy. Happy Freedom Day.
Ooh, I feel so free.
Yeah.
America.
Well, how was your average?
Worse than yesterday.
It's too early?
About.
Nice and short. We're here for what? Less than an hour?
45 minutes.
Ah, yes, POV. You are a cuber.
In Albany.
No. It's time to leave.
I'm gonna go.
It's hot. And they closed everything down because it's 4th of July. Now we have nowhere to go. Have time to kill before semis. Hey yo, no food! No food!
Oh shit, PLL skip.
42.
Wait. Bye venue.
What's the rush? You running? You don't love Albany?
Dude, the
Actually, no, not at all.
people falling asleep on the sidewalk.
What's wrong with Albany?
Just let's look at it.
There's literally no one here.
Honestly, it's nice and empty.
Ugh.
Say goodbye to the lactation pod. Run! Yeah.